Hello and welcome to another episode of Shop Talk. And today, we're going to be showing you how to connect your Reso Pilot Pro or your Reso Pilot Neo to each other or to other comms devices.
Yes. So connecting your Reso Pilot Pro to your Pilot Neo, or a Pilot Pro to a Pilot Pro, or a Pilot Neo to a Pilot Neo, basta Reso to Reso, napakadali lang.
Same procedure as what we're going to show you today. So first things first, let's turn on our devices.
So to power it up, all you have to do is to press this button here.
Yan. Isang button lang.
Ilaw siya, green.
Itong front button lang.
Yes.
So what you're going to do is you're going to press this top button right here,
Yeah.
both for the Reso Pilot Neo and the Pilot Pro.
Okay.
Hold it
So
down
ikaw
for
muna.
3 to 5 seconds.
Yeah, until it's blinking.
Yan.
Yan, and I'll do the same. And then it should just turn purple. There you go.
Yan.
So as you can see, tabi natin yung dalawang
Yan. It's
helmet.
blinking purple now.
They are blinking purple and it will stop blinking. Once it has stopped blinking, that means it is successfully paired. Yeah.
Alright. So, dapat nagkakarinigan na tayo. So,
Yeah.
mo nga.
Hello.
Sige, salta ka.
Hello.
Naririnig kita. Hello, pare. Okay.
Okay,
Yan.
diba?
So,
Sobrang dali lang.
that's the easiest thing we'll be doing today. Okay, so now that we know how to connect Reso to Reso, let's do it for other intercom brands naman. So first up, we have the
Cardo.
So it's important to note here, no, na it only works, the Reso can only connect to Cardo Edge and Pro. PackTalk Edge and PackTalk Pro. So hindi siya gagana sa Smart H, sa PackTalk Neo, PackTalk
Slim.
Black, Bold, Slim. Hindi niya kaya. Sa PackTalk Edge and PackTalk Pro lang. So,
Yep.
Ayan. May PackTalk Edge tayo here. So first thing we're going to do is turn on both devices. So for me, for the Reso, I just press this button here. The most forward button, isa lang siya. Press it down, hold it, until it blinks.
The same is true for the Cardo. There. Power on.
Yan. So now that powered on, ang gagawin natin is we hold.
Bluetooth mode.
Yeah, we put it in Bluetooth mode by holding these two buttons here. Itong dalawang nasa likod, top and bottom. Hold it down at the same time. Yan.
Okay.
Yan. So nagbe-blink na siya. May prompt din sa loob ng helmet. Sasabihin niya, enter Bluetooth intercom operation. Something like that.
Yeah.
So you'll know na it's ready to pair na.
So as for the Cardo, well, this unit is currently already on Bluetooth mode. Pero to activate Bluetooth mode, you just hold the up and down button at the same time for 3 seconds. So let's put it back to DMC mode for now. 1, 2, 3. So yan, kita mo green yung flash niya, ibig sabihin naka-mesh mode, naka-DMC. To put it on Bluetooth mode, just hold up and down buttons for 3 seconds. It will say Bluetooth intercom mode. So now comes the pairing sequence.
Okay.
So you're gonna want to make sure na you're medyo dalawa kayo or mabilis yung kamay mo. You're gonna want to pair them at the same time by pressing the pairing
Bumitaw na yung
button
sa akin.
at the
Bumitaw na
same
yung sa
time.
akin.
Yeah.
Alright, ulitin lang namin ha. So ulit, press the top and bottom buttons at the same time.
Bluetooth mode. Okay.
Yan.
So now we enter pairing mode.
And hold the top button for me.
Yeah, and
Dito
same
lang.
also. This one, top button as well. So ayan, kita nyo, nakapag-pair na kami.
Aha.
So the Reso will be blinking blue and green as you can see here. And the Cardo will be blinking blue. So that means the Bluetooth connection, the Bluetooth pairing is active and you know, it's ongoing. So testingin natin kung talaga bang gumagana.
Teka, so theoretically, if connected tayong dalawa, you can bridge me to a Cardo.
Yes, that is actually possible. You can bridge the Reso. So kumbaga, let's say apat kayo na Cardo, siya naka-Reso, pwede pa rin siya sumali sa
Buong group.
buong group.
It's not just you that I will hear.
Yes.
Right. Alright.
Indeed.
Testingin natin. Alright. Hello.
Hello!
Kamote.
Ayun! Rinig ko na!
Ayan.
Ayan. Pwede na tayo mag-secret conversation dito. So,
Overtake. Clear.
clear. Okay, may kotse, may kalabaw, aso.
Okay, naririnig ko. Same tayo dito, pare. Okay.
Ay,
Okay, next.
okay.
Wow, that's tight.
Yeesh.
Okay, so now we're done with the Cardo. Let's try it with a Sena this time. Okay, labas natin yung Sena. Okay, here. Okay, so we have the Sena 50S right now. But the procedure should be the same for
Yes.
most Sena.
Most Sena communicators.
Yeah.
So, we start with powering on. Both of them.
Again, we know how to power it
Muna.
on. Alright, now it's on.
Ito naman, to power on this Sena, you press the dial and this back button at the same time. Okay, powered on.
Okay, so now that they're both on, this is quite much simpler than doing
The
it on the
Cardo,
Cardo.
yeah.
No? So you just press this top button again.
3 times.
3 times.
It will say
1, 2, 3. It will say Mesh Intercom Channel 1.
1. So now this one, all you have to do is just press this button once. It will say Open Mesh Channel 1. So technically, they're already connected automatically. Ganun lang siya kadali.
Yeah,
So let's test it.
you just wait. You just wait. Ayan, ito. Blinking yellow na siya.
Yeah, ito blinking din siya. Blinking green.
Yeah,
Ibig
so
sabihin, successful connection.
we've previously connected already, kaya mabilis na. No? But if it's your first time, minsan medyo matagal.
So let's test it.
Alright, let's test it again. Gumagana.
Oh,
Okay,
ito.
hello?
Hello.
Ayan,
Oh,
mali
ito.
na.
Adventure helmet naman. Adventure helmet naman.
Hey, Reso, volume up. Hey, Reso, volume up. Ayan. Sige, salta ka.
Ayan. So this is good.
Yes,
It's very
malinaw.
clear, very easy. Clear communication.
Alright, so there you have it. You can connect your Reso to Cardo and Sena, some of the most popular devices out there. So, pag nag-ride kayo, tapos naka-Cardo yung iba, naka-Sena yung iba, hindi ka mal-left out kahit naka-Reso ka. This is a question that we get a lot on Facebook. But it really works well. It's super easy, super quick. And yeah, enjoy your ride. Thanks for watching.
There you have it. Thank you.